Hello, thank you for your time and thank you for joining us in our training today. In our last class, we designed this website by installing the theme from WordPress directory and also importing the demo content. So let us look at how we are customizing, how to customize these new web pages and the content, customizing the details, informations, and the pictures to be your own information, to be your own picture. So let us go ahead now. To customize, you need to log in into your WordPress dashboard. For now, you need to understand this, that whenever we are going to be changing anything that user, your visitors, the world will be seeing on your website, we have to log in into the dashboard, because only the admin has the privilege to initialize such changes. So for me to change the name from John Doe to your name, or change the picture to your picture, we have to log in into the dashboard. So to log into the dashboard, what we need to do is just to enter the URL to your website, the URL to your website with a /WP admin. Now, if you are not logged in already, you will be asked to supply your username and password. But if you are logged in already, it will automatically display the dashboard. You can see now, because I'm logged in already, I'm just displaying the dashboard immediately. So to start the customization, click on this icon to expand the edit menu. As I click on that icon, the edit menu was being displayed. Then click on appearance. Appearance has some other sub menus, so click on it. You can see other menus are being displayed, but where we are going to exactly is the customize section. Can you see this? Customize section. So click on it. Once you click on customize section, WordPress is going to open the home page of your website in a customized mode. And not just the home page of your website, those basic things that needs to be changed, like the primary color, like the official logo, and so many other things, like the tagline, the description, the site title. All those things can be updated, can be customized here in the customize section. You can see site identity, header option. Look at this home page option. If I click on that home page option, it's going to open some other sub options. Can you see this now? Main banner. Let's click on main banner. Let's click on this main banner and see what is there. As I click on main banner, you can see it also shows banner content. Okay, let us see what is in banner content. Wow, in banner content we have that banner text top which says "I there." We have the banner text middle that says John Doe. Remember we said we are changing that one likewise. Also we have another section that says banner text button, photographer. Now I want to show you something so that we can have a live preview of what is going on as we update the content of our website. Let us switch from mobile view to a desktop site view. Now on a desktop site view, we are going to be able to customize and at the same time see how the customization looks like on the website live. So to switch to desktop side view, click on this icon. Click on this icon. Once you click on that icon, scroll down to where you see the desktop site. Can you see this? Now check that box. Now once you click on it, that web page is going to reload. Once it reloads, you will be able to see the customize panel by the left hand side and your website outlook at the right hand side. Now it's coming up. You have to exercise some patience. You can see the panel has now loaded up. Now let's wait for the website page to be open. Okay, also it has come up. Now as you can see, look at this panel. On this panel is where the customization takes place, but over here is where you see the changes live on your website. And whatever we do, whatever changes we implement, we have to always click on publish, though the publish button is disabled now because we've not applied any changes. So as we start doing changes, applying changes now, the publish button is going to be enabled. So always remember to click on that publish to have your changes saved. But one thing we need to do is, so that we can be able to click on the right section in this customize panel, you can see this customize panel has a section for site identity, has a section for header option, has a section for home page options, has a section for colors, section for social icon, section for footer settings, section for header, image, background image, menu, widgets, home site, home setting, home page settings, and also additional CSS. So that we can be able to click on the right section, what you need to do is just to always zoom out the page. How do you zoom out the page? Your two fingers just pinch it out. If you pinch out, you can see the page now gets zoomed out. Can you see that? And if you want to, like, okay, I want to make the page to fit, I want the page to fit in then my screen, just zoom in back again. Your two finger pinch it in. To zoom out, just pinch out. To zoom in, just pinch in. So the first thing we need to do now is, in our customized page, click on home page option. Home page option, can you see that? Now, so that I will click it, I will be able to click on the right thing. I'm going to pinch out to zoom out. Now I'll click on home page option. Now when I click on home page option has some other sub options within it. We have the main banner, we have the about sections, we have the CTA button, CTA sections, we have the service sections, we have the portfolio sections, we have the blog sections, we also have the contact sections. Now let me explain what each of those sections means. The banner section, this is where the banner section is. Anything you want to do in this section of the page is going to be in that banner section. Now the about section, this is where it is here. This is the about section. Anything you want to do in this section of the page, you get it in the about section. Now for the CTA, the call to action section, this is it here. Anything you want to change here can be done in the CTA section. The service sections, this is it here. What we offer and so many other things. Whenever you want to change any of these, that can be done in the service section. For the portfolio section, scroll down. You can see, you can even see the word portfolio. Our portfolio. So whatever you want to do in this portfolio section will be done at that portfolio section of the customize panel. Likewise, the blog section and the contact section. You can see our blog. This is here, our blog, and you can also see the contact section. This is the contact section. Can you see? So that is how to. Now let us start exploring each of those sections. Now I'm going to click on main banner. Main banner. So I will click on it. Once I click on main banner, it's going to also open some other subsection in that main banner. Can you see? It has a section called banner content and also has another section called design options. Can you see? Banner content and design option. So I'm going to click on the banner content first. Once I click on that banner content, it's going to show me all those informations in that banner content. So you can see here, there I am. Can you see that? Look at that, there I am here. Can you see it? John Doe. Can you see that? Look at it here. John Doe. Photographer and editor. Look at it here. Photographer and editors. View my work. Can you see that? Look at it here also. View my work. So contact me. Can you see that? Look at it here. Contact me. So that is how you will be able to change those information. So for me to change idea to hello, my name is, I'll just click on that. Click on this section that says button text top. Click on it. Once I click on it, I'll be able to replace it by just typing my name is. Can you see it has changed here also? Now I want to change the don't do to Emmanuel, my name. So I'll click on it. I will click on that banner test middle. So click on banner test middle. So I'll type my name. Emmanuel Adeyemo, that is my name. So if I should zoom in, you can see Emmanuel Adeyemo. Now I want to change the photographer and editor to what I specialized in. So I will just, what I will have to click on is that banner test. But can you see this? That banner test button, can you see that? So click on it. By clicking on it, I can now change what's what displayed there to web developer, website developer, and designer and graphic designer. Graphics designer. So if I should zoom in, you can see that it has now changed from photographer and editor to website developer and graphic designer. Can you see that? So that's how you change informations. And look at this section that says design option. Now let's assume you want to, okay, you've perfected every information you want to change. Don't worry, we are still going to change this image. I'm going to show you how to change this image also to your own picture, but I want to show you, in case you want to work on other sections like this about me sections, or you want to work on the CTA, the call to action sections, what you need to do is just to go back to that sections. To take a step backward, click on this icon. Can you see this icon? Click on this icon. When you click on this icon, you'll be able to take a step backward. So click on it. Be careful so that you don't click on this X icon. This X icon means cancel. Can you see? It means cancel, like close the customize panel. And if you should do that without publishing, remember I told you, always publish your changes. Can you see that publish button is now enabled? Always remember to publish your changes, because if you did not publish your changes, it won't be saved into the database. So before we start working on the about sections, let us save what we've done so far by clicking on publish. Now you can see it has now been published. The publish button is now disabled because no other new changes has been applied. So let's click on the about section. Remember, I was able to get the about sections by taking a step backward by clicking on that arrow. So look at the word about me. Look at it here. About me. Just like the main banner section. What you did in the main banner section is just you look at where the changes you want to apply is. Then once you get where the changes you want to apply is, you click on it to edit it, and it's going to, that change is going to get shown on the page. So we want to change about me to learn more about me. So I'm going to click on that. So that you can see how the changes have been applied. Learn more about me. Can you see that? It has changed from about me to learn more about me. You can also change that section that says subheading or information goes here. You can see subheading or information goes here. Subheading or information goes, look at it here. Subheading or information goes here. So you can also change that yourself if you want to change, do the changes. Now let me show you how to change this multiple line of text that tells more about who you are. Where is this? Because if you look at it in this panel, there is no section where you see any maybe brief text that explain what that section is exactly. But if you want to change that section, if you want to change the words in these sections, what you need to do is just to click on this area that says content. Can you see it? Content. If you click on it, that text, it will be open up to you. Can you now see? You can now see the word. It is a long established fact that a reader will be distracted by the readable content of the page when looking at its layout. Can you see that? The same thing gets displayed here. Can you see that? So that is how you can edit this. Now let me show you if I should add a just a short content, a brief words to show you that that is where the changes can be applied. I will just write the word edited. By Emmanuel. Now edited by Emmanuel. Now once you have done your changes, once you've updated the page, you've added those new line of text you want to add to it, for the changes you applied in this multiple line of text should be saved, you don't need to click on this button that says save and continue. Can you see that? Click on that save and continue. It is not like other aspects. This has a multiple line of text that requires you to save it before publishing it. So click on save and close. Can you see? Click on save and close. Once you click on save, you can see our screen is like wants to reload, but as you can see now, the word edited by Emmanuel has now been added to it. So once that has been done, always remember to click on publish. Click on publish so that changes is going to be saved in your database. So click on publish. You can see it has now been published. Okay, now let me show you how to change this image and this image. Now to change any of those images, what you need to do is, let me show you, click on remove or change image, and in some cases you may not even see the word remove or change image, but let's first of all do it with when we see the word remove or change image. Click on remove. Now once you click on remove, you can see the image is no more there. Now click on this select image text. Can you see? Click on that select image. Once you click on select image, WordPress is going to open to you your media directory where you can choose from images, and also you can upload a different image. For example, maybe you want to use an image that you've not uploaded already into your WordPress website. So just click on upload file. Can you see that? Once you click on upload file, you can see the box that says select file, drop file into the upload. So click on that select file. Clicking on select file, you will be able to choose from the files you have in your device. For my device here, I'm going to click on document. Once I click on document, I will be able to click on gallery, and from gallery I can now access the images I have, pictures I have in my device. I'm going to choose this. I will choose a background image from this list. So once I click on, I'll just have to click on this icon. Now based on the device you are using, where this icon is being positioned on your device might be different from where it is here. Yours may even shows the word upload. Just click on it, and once you click on it, it's going to be uploaded into our website. Can you see? This is the picture. That's the picture. I want to quickly tell you this, that it is always advisable when you upload a new picture into your website to always fill these sections, because that is what is going to help a lot to improve the SEO of your website. Now we are going to talk more about SEO in our later training, but just learn this now. Always try to give it an alt test, and also always try to make your picture descriptive. The naming of your picture, let it be the name similar to what the picture is exactly, so that when people are searching in Google or in Bing or in Yahoo, searching in other searching from search engines, your picture can be displayed to them if the keyword or the description of your picture matches the query that is being searched in the engines. So always try to give it an alt test. And if I want to give this an alt test, I can just call this Chinese building. Chinese building. Also the description, just make it descriptive. Photo of Chinese restaurant. So once you've done that, just click on choose image. Automatically those alt text description you added will be saved. So just click on choose image. You may need to pinch in to resize the pop up to fit in your screen. So click on choose image. Once I click on choose image, you can see now that that picture has now been displayed on our page. Can you see this? Now, but for me to change this picture, what we need to do is to go back to the main banner section of our website. And remember, I told you to go back, just click on this arrow button that points backward, and also be always careful of so that you can click on this X icon to close the page. So click on that arrow button. You can see now it is now back to main banner. So I'm clicking on main banner. That is where I can change this picture. So click on main banner. Now as I click on main banner, I have the banner content and banner options panel there, but where I'm going to exactly is the banner content. As you can see, when we are about to change that image of about me, we saw remove or to choose another file image. But in this case of the main banner, we can't see the word remove, and we can't see anything like changing the picture. But there is a section here that says select image. Can you see that? That is where the changes can be applied. So click on select image. Now once you click on select image, you will be able to choose from already uploaded pictures. And let's assume you don't have any picture uploaded already, what you need to do is just to click on upload files. Upload files. Can you see that? So click on upload files. Remember, if you have the picture already uploaded into your media library, just locate where the picture is exactly, click on that picture, and you will see a check mark button on it. And once you see that, click on choose image, and automatically the image will be added to your website. But for this, we are uploading a new image, so click on select files. Select files. So once you click on select files, this will open the file explorer from your device. Click on document. Click on gallery. Gallery. So once you click on gallery, you can just locate the picture you want to use. Let me use my picture. Need a portfolio. So click on it. Then I'll click on that check icon too. So the picture will be uploaded into the WordPress media library of our website. Also, remember I told you always add an alt text. I'll just call this Emmanuel Adeyemo. Now look at this title. You have to give it the title that is similar to what the picture is about. So give it the title that is similar to what that corresponds with what the picture is about. I will call this Emmanuel also. Also the description, you can just call it this is Emmanuel's photo. Emmanuel Adeyemo photo. So once you've done that, just click on choose image. Now you only need to add this one time. Whenever you want to use that image again on that same website, you don't need to repeat the alt text, the title, or the description. Once you've added one, it will be saved, and whenever you are about to use that image, it's going to be applied to it. And also, when you are naming your picture, your file, always name it with what is similar to what the picture is about, because the file name also matters. So let us resize the dialog box so that you can fit our screen. Then click on the choose image. So now the picture has now been applied. You can see it here, but it is not showing here. Don't worry, the picture has been applied already. All you need to do is just to click on publish. Click on publish. Once you click on publish, now reload the page. Once it gets published, now it is now published. You can see it is now published. So click on, just reload the page. Click on these. So just reload. Now the page is now reloading. Also, you can just go ahead and look at how your website look like by following the normal domain name. You can see the picture has now been applied. You can see that. So let us look at how our website look like by just opening it in a new tab. You can see my name is Emmanuel Adeyemo, website developer and graphic designer. My work, you can see this is my picture. Look at this image you changed for the about me. You can choose a different image. And look at the editing we did for the edited by Emmanuel. So these are how you can customize your page. Now I want you to do this now. Customize the whole page, including the CTA, the call to action. I want you to customize it, change those words. Also, the same way we change the picture, change the portfolio images, and I want to customize everything. Now, in case you have any challenges in getting it done, feel free to ask in our discussion channel, and everyone in the community will be happy to answer you, to help you out in any challenges you are facing. Now, before we round up, let me quickly show you how to change this logo. Let's assume you have your own logo. How do you change this logo? Now, to change the logo, go back to that customize. Now just click back. Now once you are the customize, let's assume you have the home page option panel open. Just click on that arrow icon to keep going backward to where you see site identity. So click on that back arrow. Now you can see site identity. Can you see that? That is where we will be able to change the logo and some other things about the website. So click on that site identity. Now once you click on that site, and can you now see that we have the section for logo? We can see logo, portfolio. You can also see my site title, see tagline, also the site icon that shows in the browser. So that is how to change, to now replace the logo. Remember what the step we followed when we were about to change this about me image. Similar thing you do for this. Just click on remove or click on change logo. If you click on remove, the logo won't be there at all, but if you click on change logo, you'll be able to, the media library is going to be opened up for you, where you choose from already uploaded images, pictures, and if you've not uploaded the logo already, you will be able to click on upload. So once you click on upload, you can now select where the logo has been saved in your device, and once you click on it, you upload it, give it the alt text, give it the descriptions, and choose it, upload it, and automatically it's going to be used as the logo for your website. And just click on published, and once you click on published, the logo will be fixed to your website and it will be there. So thank you for your time, thank you for your continuity in this training. Now in our next class we're going to be looking at how to curate a menu bar for our website. Now what is menu bar? Menu is what helps our users, our visitors, to be able to navigate around our pages. Now this website's menu bar is this here. This is where it is. Look at this icon. Clicking on this icon, it will expand the menu to other pages of our website. You can see the home page, the about page, the service page, the portfolio, the blog, the contacts. We can even have external link, maybe to our YouTube channel or to our Facebook page or to our Twitter handle or to our LinkedIn platform. So how to position the menu, how navigations can be positioned, can be structured. So that will be what we'll talk about, we'll learn more about in our next class. So thank you for your time, thank you for your continuity, thank you for the paying attention. Now more of your attention is still needed because we are not ended this course yet. We still have two more projects to work on, three more projects. So we still have three more projects to work on. Working on forum, working on e-commerce, and also working on social networking website. So more of your attention is still needed. More of your concentration is needed. All what we are doing presently is building the ground towards those other projects, because some of these things we looked at in this building a portfolio website, in also in the aspect of setting up the domain in the part one, you will need them also in other parts of this training series, but we won't be talking so much deeply about them anymore longer. So that is why we are climbing the ladder gradually. Remember, once you follow the mechanism, all the steps that you'll be shown, surely by the end of this course, this training series, you should be able to have knowledge on how to set up your own personal website. So join us in our next class, and if you have not subscribed to our channel, kindly do so now. Also click on the notification bell icon so as to stay notified for every update which we release on this platform. So thank you for your time. Share this video, share this link with your friend, share it with your family members, those who you think can benefit from it. So thank